Hello kids, hi, welcome to our science online session. Today we are going to revise that chapter number 1 in that unit 1.2, can we care for our environment? Can we care for our earth? Earth is our home. Earth is our home. We care for our home by keeping them clean. Waste is the everything that we can use, like plastic bottle, soda cans, banana peels. Okay, all are waste. So what happened to our waste? Something like banana peels break down, they become a part of the earth again. Okay, so we call them biodegradable waste. Fruits and vegetables are the biodegradable waste. Apple core, orange peels, rotten tomato, these are break down quickly and these are the biodegradable waste. Soda can, plastic bottles takes a long time to break down. So these are all non-biodegradable waste. Metal, plastics are also the non-biodegradable waste. So these biodegradable are mixed with soil and water. They can harm the animals. So they can harm the animals and people. They take long time to break down. Meanwhile, they make a poison the ground and water also. They can make us sick. So what can we do about them? There are the three things we can do about them: reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce means we can make a less of the things so they can easily break down. Okay, so we can use a less of the things which cannot break down easily or quickly, like plastic bottle, soda can, metals. We can borrow something that we need for a short time. We don't have to buy. We can walk or ride a bus instead of going in a car, or we can ride with the someone else. We can use a regular plates and the cups. We can use our own shopping bag. We can avoid a plastic ones. We don't have to use a plastic bags. Plastic bags takes a thousands of years to break down. Okay, so reuse means to use again. So we can use this plastic can, box and a plastic containers. So we can use them to keep things into it. If we use it something, we can give it to someone else. We can pack our lunches in a container, not in a plastic bag. Third is a recycle. So we recycle the plastic and make a new toys. Okay. In recycle bin, soda can, bottles are placed and newspaper are placed in a recycle bin. Diaper and pen is in a trash can. Rotten tomatoes and rotten fruits are in a compost bin. So we will divide according to the recycle bin, trash can and a compost bin. We can save our natural resources also, like water, food, air, plants, and energy. So we can save our natural resources. We can save water. When you take a shower, try to use a less water. We can collect rainwater in a bucket, and we can use it for a water for a gardening, or we can use it to wash things outside. We can plant the garden to help the earth. Thank, thank you. Like this, we can care for our environment. I hope you all have understood about how we will care for our environment.